servers. 3. Restructuring and reconstitution of IEBC. 4. An end to the efforts by Kenya Kwanza to incapacitate, kill, or take over other political parties. We hasten to add that the desire to kill political parties goes beyond the attacks going on and include efforts by the Kenya Kwanza regime to deny funding to Azimio-affiliated political parties. It is a standard procedure that for any team of negotiators to delve into substantive issues, they need to agree to take some preliminary steps that preserve the substantive matters. Going by these established principles in negotiations, our delegation asked that there be some preliminary actions on the cost of living, agree to the preservation of the IEBC servers in light of the fact that we have asked for an audit of the same, suspension of the selection panel of IEBC in light of the fact that it is an agenda of the talks, and cessation of Kenya Kwanza invasion of Azimio as talks go on. Unfortunately, our team met resistance, hostility, and outright rejection on all the desired preliminary actions. Kenya Kwanza could not commit to stop the invasion of Jubilee, preservation of the servers, interim measures at reduction of cost of unga, and suspension of the process of hiring new IEBC commissioners. In other words, Kenya Kwanza wants to continue with the measures that make cost of living even more expensive. They want to interfere with IEBC servers, proceed with the picking of IEBC commissioners, and continue invading Azimio parties. Our delegation therefore came to the decision that if the interim measures cannot be guaranteed, there would be no need to move into substantive issues. The framework agreement that set up the talks provides for a 7-day suspension of the talks in the event of a stalemate.